Finally, we will look at greater than or equal and less than or equal comparison. Similar to greater than and less than, but there is a slight difference. So first of all, we will see what will happen. Greater than or equal, this is the operator. Greater than or equal, so the equal symbol always comes to the right hand side, right? Okay, now this condition is success if A is greater than to B or A is equal to B, right? Now this condition is success in two situations, whether A is greater than B or A is equal to B. In both situations, this condition is success, right? In those two states, this part will run. Otherwise, this part will run, right? So if A is greater than or equal to B, what we can say is A is greater than or equal to B. So now we can't clearly say that A is greater than B. Why? If A is equals to B, again this criteria is success. Therefore, what we have to say is A is greater than or equal to B. Otherwise, we can definitely say that A is less than B. Right? This is the difference. So in the success scenario, we can't definitely say whether it is greater than. We have because if it is equals, again the condition is success. So what we have to say is A is greater than or equal to B. Otherwise, we can definitely say that A is less than B. Now my A is 10, B is 5. Now let's see what happens. Right, because A is greater than B, 10 is greater than 5, it says A is greater than or equal to B. Right, so it can't definitely say. So I'll make B larger. Now what will happen? Now it says A is less than B, so that is definite. What will happen if A and B are equal? So according to the comparison, this is now success. It is checking whether A is greater than or equal to B. Now the case is A is equal to B. So this part will again run. We'll compile and see the output. See, it says A is greater than or equal to B. Now the case is A is equal to B. Right? So by using this operator, we can check whether the given numbers are greater than or equal. So similarly, less than or equal operator works. This is the less than or equal operator. Now what happens if A is less than or equal to B? This condition is success. Otherwise, this condition is unsuccess. Now let's say A is A is less than or equal to B. This will run. Otherwise, this part will run. Right? Now, if A is less than or equal to B, we have to say A is less than or equal to B. Otherwise, we can definitely say A is greater than B. The same functionality but the reverse. Now we will run and see the output. Now what is the case? A is equal to B. So this condition is now success. So it says A is less than B. It is checking A is less than or equal to B. But now the situation is A is equal to B. So this part will run. So that's why we are getting this message. A is less than or equal to B. Now case is A is equal actually. I'll make A smaller. Now what will happen? Again, it is checking whether A is less than or equal to B, but the now case is A is less than. So this part will run again. So we can see the message A is less than or equal to B. Right? Similarly, if I make A is the larger number, this part should run. We'll see the output. So now it says A is greater than, sorry, there's a mistake here. Okay. Yeah. Now it says A is greater than B. So if this is not the case, we can definitely say that A is not, or we can say A is greater than B. Sorry about that. Right? If A is not less than or equal to B, we can definitely say A is greater than B. So that's how it works. Right? Okay, so those are the selection or comparison in C programming language.